Okay, raise your hand if you have ever bought spinach, like organic, nice, expensive spinach from the grocery store in a bag. You bring it home, you put it in the fridge, and in, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 days, you pull it out of the fridge, and there's this horrible smell, and it's slimy and gross, and then you end up putting it in the trash. I've done that. Today, I want to encourage you to start growing your own spinach and stop throwing it away from the grocery store. So spinach is in the goosefoot family, which means it's in the same family as Swiss chard and beets. Here are some spinach seeds. They look almost like little pebbles. They're a little bit easier to plant than like sweet lettuces because the seeds are a little bit bigger and not so teeny tiny. So to plant these, you want to wait until obviously the soil has warmed up, and they can actually hang on in some frost. So it's a great time if you're in a cooler climate to plant spinach. And here in Mississippi, the spinach has been thriving all winter long. In fact, it's still doing so good. So I wanted to show you what it looks like here in the garden and show you how to harvest it. It's super fun and so much better than than buying it from the grocery store and throwing it away. So you're gonna plant spinach by seed. That's really gonna be the best way to get it started. And then keep it well watered. It can grow in full sun or even a little bit of shade. You can have like partial sun. And then what you wanna do is harvest I'm gonna put my seeds down. What you wanna do is harvest the leaves from the outside. So I'm gonna come in here and cut on the outside of the plant. And you can really cut all the way to the base of the plant. If you're going to eat these in a salad or saute them, you can eat all parts of the spinach leaf. So we're gonna cut down at the base, and believe it or not, your spinach plant is gonna grow right back up right through the center of the plant, right here. So it'll keep growing all through the season until it gets too hot. Once the weather starts to warm like it's gonna be doing in the spring in the south, the spinach is gonna bolt and go to seed. You can just let it go to seed, or you can pull it up and then you'll start again when the weather cools in the fall. Growing spinach is so much tastier and delicious than the stuff that you get from the grocery store that ends up going in the trash. So you really gotta try it. It's just so good, and you don't have any of that smell like you do in those bags from the grocery store. So I'd love for you to give spinach growing a try. If you would like to learn more about growing spinach and other kinds of salad greens, you've got to check out saladschool.com. I've got lots of blog posts about growing your own salad and a free workshop that will get you started on your own salad garden this season. Thanks so much for watching. And let's stop throwing away stinky bag spinach from the grocery store. Sound good? Cheers to you.